So they say Kimi K3 is good at 3D. Well, we put it to the test.
So starting off with Helm's Deep, this is one of my new favorite tests right now. And you can come to BoxminingAI.com and try this out yourself. So as you can see, it's very smooth, the movement, very nice. And it's not dark, right? Most of the other models, even GPT 5.6 Soul, initially, they have this problem of making Helm's Deep too dark. I know it's like dark in the movie, but I don't want it like Game of Thrones dark during the Long Night episode. I wanted to be able to see what's going on. So even the details and the clouds, look how that, whatever that is, the light, how that radiates and intersperse. Fancy ass terms there, but you can sense that it's very, very different from the other models that we've tried. It also has the landmark, right, on the bottom right. Oh, I'm blocking it, so let me just move myself here. Here at the bottom right, it tells us where the landmarks are. So we're at the court of the Hornburg. So this is where, you know, those elves were, the archer elves here, right? And then when the orcs blew through the gate, and then Aragorn was like, fire! All right, Gimli! All right, fire, fire, fire. So far, these are the only ones that they're able to complete. Of course, the castle and the keep is up there. They put the rocks as a placeholder, but I wouldn't even notice that it's an obvious placeholder. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming these are like ashes, but yeah. Very soon, okay, once we get a better feel for this, we're gonna add some combat elements. Let's see if we can actually make Helm's Deep battle going on. But this is a big pass. I like this. Actually, you can even climb this. Look at this. Can I get to the wall? This is where my movement skills come in now. Oh, from here I can. Oh, look at that. I can scale the wall. Oh, never mind. Invisible wall. Am I stuck? Yeah, I'm stuck. So from this iteration, I'm really happy. This is just the first iteration for Helm's Deep. No changes were made. So this is where I'm going to have fun debugging the process. Now, the second one is the Hogwarts Broom Flight Simulator. It's just an auto flight. Still, a lot of the problems with these frontier models is the size. That is certainly not Hogwarts, okay? Hogwarts is a lot bigger than that. But the design is certainly cleaner than Grok 4.5. It's on par with GPT 5.6 Soul. The flight movement seems very dynamic. It's like a lot of movements. I'm not touching anything. It's auto flight. It goes through the hoops. It knows how to goes through the hoop. Hey! So it has that logic there. Certainly has a lot of potential. Look at the lighting and the details of the skies and how the... Wait, is that a moon or is that a sun? It's like too bright. But very happy with this output. And now it's going through the dark forest. Are we going to see a spider here? Yeah, what's his name again? Hagrid? No, not Hagrid. Aragorn. Yeah, that's the one. All right, but all in all, very happy with this one. Big pass. Now the Jabberwock one. This one, most frontier models have a big problem with building out this game, the poem to game idea. This one is the second iteration. This is the second commit that I've made. There was a debug. It was just a simple debugging for the movement where the A and D strafe was inverted. Now it's fixed. So this one, I was playing it. Look on the top left there. That's the instruction. There's actually a game involved here, like a player progression going on. So this is quoted from the poem, and we're just gonna follow the instruction. Cross the roots into the Tolgi wood. Step into the wood. Now it's getting darker, and ooh, look at that. That's the Jabberwock. It looks like a dragon. Now we're gonna fight it. Yo, I'm taking damage. Okay. And I'm assuming that's my health bar. Ooh, we've slain it. Nice. You're looking pretty good. The head is yours. The sky is turning to gold. Galumph back to the sundial. I'm assuming... let me see. Keep going forward, I guess. I haven't gotten to this part. Oh, so there's an invisible wall here. Galumph. That's galloping, right? It looks like I'm galloping right now. I'm on a horse. I'm on the head of the Jabberwock. Very cool detail. Hey, there we go. Dream the poem again. That's already one game loop. Very nice. It's able to complete one game loop. So for Jabberwock, big pass. Very impressed with this one. Now, the low poly world, this is just a very simple version of Minecraft. For this one, right? It did as well as GPT 5.6 Soul for the movement, but man, it definitely completed rendering the entire game world. There's a floating rock there. We can mine the stone and the wood. So we can go to the workbench and craft. But it still has the issue where whatever we craft spawns where we stand. So you see that? It spawned right up my ass. Look at that. But all in all, very happy with this one too. Just for the first one-shot prompt, first try.